Guess where we're going?
Yeah, we are in
Terminal F.
Terminal F.
For the Carnival Horizon.
And then if you go past the Terminal F, there's the parking garage. We are parked in over there. It is $22 a day, right?
But before you go into there, unless you love dragging your luggage around, you need to get with one of the porters, give them your luggage, tip them well, and they'll go ahead and take care of everything for you. So all you have to do
and all you got is a backpack.
Is walk across, get your backpack, and you're ready to go.
So we're going to get on the ship. We're going to show you us getting on the ship, show you our first look, just as if you were with us, and you're going to walk on the cruise ship with us. As soon as you walk in, what you see, what to do, and we'll go from there.
Let's be nomads.
Yeah, let's go. Have made it to Terminal F. So arrive early, late to the left. Let's get over here in this line. We have made it through security. Security is behind us, and we are on our way to get on the cruise ship. And now you can get your pictures taken. So if you want to stop and get your picture taken by one of these gentlemen, then that's what you do. Otherwise, we keep on walking down.
Stay connected at sea. Scan me. If you have AT&T or Verizon, it tells you what cellular plans they have available.
So we got a big surprise for you here in a little bit. We'll show you whenever we get on the ship. A tip that you might want to use the next time you board in the ship. So, you ready?
Go ahead.
Let's show it to them. Well, let's get on the ship first. We'll show you the atrium, and then after that, then we'll show you the big tip that we're going to reveal. It's a great genius idea by this one. Alright, I got one last station to go through. They check us in here, and then we are off on the ship, and we are on our way. They are loading the ship with all the food we're going to be eating. Check it out. We're getting all of our food on there. And there's our lifeboats, and we are gonna work our way down this hallway here. We'll speed it up for you right here. How about that? And get you on board really quick. Let's go. Slow it down right here and cross over the little bridge. You ready, baby? We're almost on the ship. We are almost on the ship. We gotta watch our step. And there's the dock, there's the ship, and we are almost here. And we are about to walk on board. This is the atrium that we first come into. This is what you see when you first walk in. And we have made it to the atrium here. And this is what it looks like. It ain't like your traditional atrium that's like a couple stories high, but they do have a bar right here. What do you think, baby?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yep. And we're gonna take you on up to the Lido deck, get us something nice and refreshing to drink, and then we are going to end it there with a last minute surprise. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. This is the center of the ship. This is what you would call the atrium. And isn't that beautiful?
This is why we love Carnival, because they love veterans.
Yeah. They have veterans.
About it.
They have a military appreciation veterans thing almost every day on this ship. It's really cool to go to. Meet the captain of our ship.
Non Prosecco, it's bigger than 2024. truly amazing, hard-working team members. To all of you, salute, cheers,
Cheers.
and enjoy the cruise. Thank you very much.
There is where to find is going to be at, I bet, right there. Lido deck, here we go. Hi.
Oh no, thank you.
Thank you. And we have made it to the Lido deck. Wow. This is much smaller than I thought. For a big ship, it's much smaller, but I guess they got more than a few pools. Oh yeah, they got a bigger pool with the slides and stuff over there. And rum bar over here. Uh-oh, you go that way, I'll go this way because I'm going to the tequila bar. But there we are, we have made it. It is 11 o'clock. Our boarding time was 11. So we got here right on time as we had planned. And this is it. Welcome to the Lido deck. And we're about to reveal the big surprise.
Our super special secret.
Yeah, you gonna reveal it? We have it here in the bag, and it is called bathing suits. We brought our bathing suits in our backpack so we can change and go on over to the pool. It's 11 o'clock, like I said, and there's not a lot of people on here, so you could be the first in the pool here.
And it's because we have priorities, and here they are. Get on board, get our bathing suit on, get our cocktail, get our lunch.
Yep.
And the pool.
And the pool, yeah, the main thing. This is off the Lido deck. What a beautiful view of downtown Miami. And they're building and building and building. That's it. That's downtown. Marcy said, let's go find something to eat here. I already see my favorite place. My favorite place is going to be Guy's Burger Joint over here. There it is. Hey. So we just got out of the pool. We are heading to our room. Our room is ready. We're going to go check out the Havana suite. So we have made it to our room here, 5221 in the Havana suite. We're gonna walk on in here and see what it looks like. Here's our first impression. Gotta put your key in the slot to keep the lights on. Wow, look at that. We got our double bed. It looks almost like a king, it's so big. Got our little makeup area here. Got our wardrobes there. Got the robes that comes with the Havana suite. Got our safe there. Got a bunch of drawers. Got a little makeup area here for Marcy. Nightstand. Of course, it's old Havana pictures. And then we have a little area here with our TV. And got more stuff down here for storage. And got the ice chest area here. I don't know if there's that's an actual refrigerator. Some of the other ones have been on, I think, have been just things to keep things cool, not really a refrigerator. That's a refrigerator, so. And then there's also towels here. Why? Because, oh, look at that Havana experience. That's what we're going to be experiencing here. And there's pools for the towels for the pool. You got a chair here. This is going to be Marcy's section, I think, over here. That's going to be mine. And we'll check out the bathroom here in just a minute. Here is our bathroom. Got a couple shelves over there. Got the mirror. Got shelves on this side. Got your regular old sink for your cruising. Couple little extra storage area. There's the toilet. And there's the shower. So the shower comes out. See, there's a little area there. So don't like the curtain thing. Not a big fan of curtains. But
look how nice that curtain is.
But hey, it is what it is, and we will make it work because we are in the Havana suite. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching.
Like, subscribe, ring that bell.
And we'll see you on the next video that's gonna pop up right up here.
See ya.
Bye.